Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a finely constructed 6-bedroom suite with his and hers closets in all the bedrooms, located at Tripoli Estate in St. Anne. This house sits on 20,038 square feet. There are 10 powder rooms throughout the 3-floor structure. The kitchen is on the 2nd floor, with entry from the double car garage or the back of the property. Throughout the building, you can view the ocean or the mountainside. The property is well designed for the comfort of all the finer things in life, such as a fireplace on each floor. An exquisite water fountain sits in the center of the 1st floor, surrounded by spiral staircases all the way up. Grand swimming pool, pool bar, a complete gym, and a detached helper's apartment, and much more for you to enjoy. The property is augmented with a variety of fruit trees and flowers. The neighborhood has all the essential amenities. As a owner in the Tripoli estate, you are entitled to a paid membership for the private beach, which is located next door the Jewels Complex. Across the street from the beach is the golf course. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 65 million or US $422.3 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.